So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So quick update lang tayo nitong July 2025 visa bulletin kasi it's already officially posted in the website. So yun nga guys, July 2025 visa bulletin for employment base ay merong two things. So merong positive movement at saka meron namang hindi happy or hindi nag-move yung final action date. So dun muna tayo sa nag-move, which is yung rest of the world saka yung Mexico. So congratulations to them kasi nag-move na siya to April 1, 2023. So for Philippines, hindi siya nag-move. So for me guys, gagawin ko lang siya as positive indicator. So either by next visa bulletin, either mag-move siya or at least by next fiscal year 2026, meron na siyang indicator na marireach niya yung April 1, 2023. So potential reason kung bakit hindi nag-move nitong July 2025, either na-reach niya na yung 7% cap annual limit per country. So other reason kung bakit di nag-move yung Philippines for July 2025 is either marami pa tayong applicants, pending applicants to be processed in the consulate interview. So don't you worry guys, for me happy nga ako kasi gagawin ko siya as indicator. So kung ikaw ay April 1, 2023 priority date, so asahan mo na this 2025 ikaw ay makakarating ng US. Kasi nga ito na yung pinaka-indicator na marireach out yung April 1, 2023.
Ito na nga yung comparison natin ng employment-based preference visa bulletin. So ito yung month of June at ito naman yung July 2025. So dito nga sa third preference category, so ito yung rest of the world. From June, cut-off date niya is February 8, 2023. Pagdating dito sa July 2025, ito na yung bagong final action date, April 1, 2023. So napakaganda ng movement dito sa rest of the world chargeability. So nag-jump siya ng almost 2 months dito sa final action date ng rest of the world. So napakaganda talaga dito sa category na to. But anyway, since na nag-move forward to ng April 1, 2023, maaabot din natin to. At least meron na tayong sign na nag-move forward na yung final action date ng employment-based preference up to April 1, 2023. So sa mga susunod na mga visa bulletin na darating, panigurado, aabotin din to ng Philippines itong final action date na to. Then, dito sa China, so nag-move din siya ng almost 1 month from November. So ito na yung final action date niya, December. Then sa India, ganun din, nag-move din siya ng mga ilang days. Dito sa Mexico, so yung Mexico kasama dito sa rest of the world, nag-move din siya. So talagang naiwan talaga dito yung Philippines, which is yung month of June, February 8. So nag-stick lang siya dito sa February 8 pagdating ng July 2025. So tulad nga ng sinasabi ko, at least meron na tayong sign na potential na marating ng Philippines tong April 1, 2023 kasi magkakasama lang naman yan sa employment-based preference. In my review, so first time lang nangyari to na humiwalay ng final action date itong Philippines pagdating sa final action date ng monthly visa bulletin.
So this coming visa bulletin for August and September, part pa siya ng fiscal year 2025. So pag na-reach niya na yung annual limit per country, so maybe there's no chance to move this last 2 months for fiscal year 2025. But for fiscal year 2026, so by chance maybe asahan mo na kasi panibagong issuance na naman ng number of visa per country. So magdadagdag pa tayo ng additional update nitong July 2025 visa bulletin for our next vlog. Antabayanan na lang natin yung next movement, but we have already the indicator that we can reach to April 1, 2023. So maraming salamat sa inyong panunood dito sa aking channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.